guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video. So you guys, I'm sure you've seen this hair before. This hair is from Nadula hair company. So I've had this hair for a while now, so I just decided to sell this hair again. So as you can see guys, this hair is originally curly, and I'm gonna leave all the hair details in the description box down below, and I'm gonna leave a link to the other videos that I've installed using this unit as well. So first of all, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use my John Frieda Freeze Ease straightening serum, heat protectant, and I'm just gonna start by detangling the hair. I've washed this unit, you guys, that's why you see it looking a bit puffier and bigger. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Remington straightening flat iron just to straighten the hair. And to be honest with you, this was effortless. You can already see that the hair takes in the heat so well. As long as you use a good hair heat protectant, your hair will be good. And this heat protectant is so good, it's like a serum, so it doesn't leave the hair looking oily. Guys, this process took me like an hour, and I was just like, oh my goodness. Yeah, believe me, I would never do it again, like unless if I really have to. Okay, so you can actually see the hair is straightening so well. I'm just gonna go ahead and continue detangling and applying the serum, and you know, just repeating the same process. So yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this video. So yeah, right now you can actually see this is half the hair done, and you can see the difference already. This hair looks nice either way, whether it's curly or straight. It is absolutely amazing. And like looking at it now, I feel like, oh my god, this hair has so much volume and it's so soft and silky. Like even if I'm straightening it, it is just looking absolutely amazing. So you guys, I think I need to buy, you know, the straightening comb that I've been seeing on YouTube lately. Like seriously, I think I need this, because I felt like this was very needed or necessary for this tutorial in order for me to get my parting laid down flat.
Mommy, good night.
Oh, I can sleep. Let me just love you. Uncle Tom, I'm sticky.
Mommy said your mouth is sticky.
Definitely someone needs to come and say good night. Okay, I was recording at night because yeah, I was busy during the day. So yes, I'm just gonna go ahead and continue doing this. You want to make sure that your parting is laying flat, like I was saying. So you might need to use a straightening comb, and you need to be careful and watch your fingers, guys, don't burn yourself. And this hair was so effortless. You only needed like one heat pass, like seriously, very effortless. I just love the way that it is so easily straightened, like, and it doesn't burn or anything like that. This hair is just good quality hair, you guys. And I was so tired, obviously. Looking at it now, the hair looks so thicker. Like seriously, I didn't realize that his hair was this thick. My face was already melting. Okay, so I had to touch up my nose, and I'm just using my cream of nature just to lay down some flyaways. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use my flat iron. You can actually use a curling wand if you prefer, just to make sure that everything lies flat. Like as you see at my parting there, guys, it's looking absolutely natural and so good. I'm gonna go ahead and just use my powder just to define my parting a little bit more. And the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray. Oh gosh.
Please, no!
Anyhow, so I'm using my L'Oreal Elnet hairspray just to make sure the top part of my hair is nice and sleek and it stays in place. Okay, you don't want it to be going everywhere. All right, so yeah, so this hair is amazing. I haven't experienced a lot of shading with this hair, you guys. It is still the same. You see the hair is very thick, so I love that you can actually, you know, wear it straight or you can actually wear it curly. I actually love how straight it looks right now. I feel like I might have to keep it straight. It looks absolutely amazing and thick, like seriously. So this is the hair. It's like, I think I had like 20 inches or so and 18 inches or something. I'll leave all the hair details in the description box down below. So this is it, guys. The hair is completely done. I love the texture of this hair, you guys. It doesn't look bone straight. It looks like relaxed hair, if you know what I'm saying, or a natural hair that's been flat ironed. Like seriously, it's got a very good texture. I love the texture. The thickness is just amazing. Oh yeah, so just before I finish, you guys, I wanted to show you guys that this hair can definitely revert back to curly hair. Just spraying the hair with some water and making sure that it is saturated. It is kind of taking me a while to get the curls back, but I'm sure if you take the unit off and, you know, dip it in water, it will definitely revert back like quicker. Like you can see, the curls are still there. It can actually revert back to its natural curly hairstyle. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys so that you guys don't be afraid to straighten your hair. All right, guys. So yes, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please don't forget thumbs up this video, also comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.